अच्छा पहले ही बताइए बिफोर यू आस्क द क्वेश्चन, आपने अभी देखी?
हाँ, मैंने अभी फिल्म देखी।
क्यों देखी अभी? या आप मुझे बताइए, आप बात कर रहे हैं कि क्यों नहीं, आप क्यों मुश्किल है फिल्म मेकर्स के लिए फिल्म बनाना?
सर पहली चीज तो मुझे पता ही नहीं थी।
क्यों नहीं पता? ये गलती किसकी है? ये गलती हमारी है आपकी है? ये गलती आपकी है, ये मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ। ये गलती ऑडियंस की, भाई पता करिए ना। कैसे नहीं पता आपको? आपको हीरा मंडी तो पता था।
So thank you very much, first of all, to allowing us to showcase Kadak on Open Theatre.
Thank you very much, Anand, to showcase the film on your platform.
So, like, आपने 2 मिनट भी नहीं लिया, मतलब हमारी जो डिस्कशन हुई, आपने बोल दिया कि आप फिल्म हमें दे रहे हो रिलीज करने के लिए और शोकेस करने के लिए, जबकि फिल्म ऑलरेडी रिलीज हो चुकी थी, एक बार हो चुकी है। तो मतलब व्हाट मेड यू डिसाइड दैट क्विकली?
Very simply, yaar, I like the idea of the platform, which I can talk about later. B, as a filmmaker, what do you want? You want an audience, you know. Why, if somebody invites me, for example, last year I went to Buenos Aires in Argentina because they had a retrospective of my films. It's a 24-hour flight, man. But I went there. Why do you go there? Why do you say yes to these things? And in Argentina, who's the audience? I don't know who the audience is. But even if you get 100 new people as the audience, that's what you do. That's what you want. We do plays all the time. Sometimes 200 people watch it. Sometimes 500 people watch it. But every show is fantastic because you are interacting with an audience. You're reaching out to a few more people. That's what you want. You know, whether it's 5 people or 5 million people is another matter. I'm saying even 5 people is good for me. You know, you're trying to reach out, and because the way distribution is in this country for smaller films, it's very difficult to get to an audience. Even when the audience wants to come to you, the obstacles on the way are so many that it's very difficult for the filmmaker to reach the audience and for the audience to reach the film that they want to watch. You know, so a platform like this is, I think, it's a great step in that direction.
So, but why do you think it happens? Because even people who have watched Kadak, even when I saw the film, I realized such a wonderful film, and you don't even want to leave even for a second, and everybody has the same review. Whoever has watched the film, तो लोग फिल्म ऐसा देखना भी चाहते हैं.
Right, वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ.
उसके बाद भी why, you know, so you have been making film for quite long period of time.
Distribution का बहुत बड़ा exhibition and distribution is something that we have not been able to crack. You know, because films with big stars get a big release. They occupy most cinemas in the country, so you don't even get a space. You know, you don't even get shows. When Aankhon Dekhi was released, when every film of mine was released, I'm heartbroken because you realize कि साला शो ही नहीं मिला. वही एक शाम को 4:30 बजे, एक दोपहर को 12 बजे, तो अब कैसे लोग देखेंगे? वही पिक्चर रिलीज भी हो गई, आपने इतना पैसा भी खर्च करा उसको रिलीज करने में, तो भी आपके दोस्त बोल रहे हैं कि यार मैं कैसे चलूं, मैं तो ऑफिस में हूं 6 बजे तक. हाउ डू आई वॉच अ फिल्म? करेक्ट. We don't get good shows. We don't get shows at all. But if we get shows, we don't get good shows. So that's what it's been, a completely marginalized, pushed aside segment. So,
और हर कोई जो फिल्म देखता है कहता है कि बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है.
लेकिन देखो, इसमें कुछ मैं सारा ब्लेम डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन और उसको नहीं दूंगा, क्योंकि कुछ ब्लेम ऑडियंस का भी है. क्योंकि अगर ऑडियंस रियली चाहती है और अगर रियली चिल्लाए, तो ऐसा नहीं कि लोग अच्छा काम नहीं करेंगे, लोग अच्छा काम नहीं कर रहे हैं. अभी जो पिक्चर रिलीज हुई है आज, कैसी पिक्चर है भगवान जाने, लेकिन अच्छा चल रही है. मेरा ये मानना है कि अगर पिक्चर इतना पैसा कमा रही है तो कुछ तो गड़बड़ है उसमें. इट कांट बी गुड फिल्म, क्योंकि हम लोग देखते ही बुरी फिल्में हैं, क्या करें.
नहीं, लेकिन हमारा सर इतना ऑडियंस, इतना बड़ा ऑडियंस बेस है, और जैसे जैसे मैं अपनी प्लेटफॉर्म पे देख रहा हूँ कि मुझे जैसे डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म के लिए, जैसे कि मैं एक फिल्म है आंटी सुधा आंटी राधा हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे, मैं हमेशा उस फिल्म को कोट करता हूँ क्योंकि मेरा खुद का यकीन नहीं था कि उसको कोई भी देखेगा. मतलब because the difficulty which I had.
See, maybe because we need a platform like this. That's what I'm saying. Maybe, so people now, for example, there is movie. There are many of these films which you can't watch anywhere else except on movie. So you go to movie. Now you know that if you want to watch a film by Truffaut or Godard or Bergman, it might be there on movie. So you go there, So maybe
Yeah.
a platform like that is what people need to know कि हाँ भाई इस तरह का सिनेमा है तो शायद यहाँ पे देखते हैं यहाँ चेक करते हैं होगा शायद. So if the audience also knows कि भाई ये फलाना नेचुरल आइसक्रीम का आउटलेट है यहाँ मिलेगी आइसक्रीम ये वाली
हाँ,
तो
करेक्ट
जाएगा ना.
करेक्ट. तो सर जैसे कि आप मतलब you have made many films and now OTTs also. In terms of, it's very important for independent films to generate revenue so that the filmmaker can make the next film.
Right.
तो अभी OTTs has not helped you because you have experienced this era as well, or have
Right.
made films during this period also.
I don't think OTTs are helping. That's my reading of the current situation. They are in it for business, and that business is to make money. I think that is a priority for all OTTs, which is all right. I'm not saying they should not make money. Everyone should make money. But an enlightened producer would make money and also make something of quality at the same time, which is what Hollywood studios used to do in the 40s and 50s.
Yeah.
Which is what independent producers used to do. I think even 10, 15 years back. Somebody like Sunil Doshi, I give an example very often, who produced mixed doubles. Or Manish Mundra, who produced Aankhon Dekhi. Even they are not allowed to do this anymore because OTTs have taken over the market and they're not allowing anything that they don't like to exist.
Okay. Yeah.
So it's quite sad that everything should have. They are making projects like old Bollywood system used to. इसको ले लो. हमारे एल्गोरिथम में बोलता है स्क्रिप्ट ऐसा. अरे भाई ऐसी थोड़ी स्क्रिप्ट लिखी जाती है. ऐसा थोड़ी कुछ क्रिएटिव काम होता है कि लोगों ने 8वें मिनट में छोड़ दिया तो 8वें मिनट में कुछ स्पाइक होना चाहिए. Give me a break. That's not how you write a script. That's not how you make something. और अगर ये आपका तरीका इतना फुल प्रूफ था तो फिर क्यों चीजें फ्लॉप हो रही हैं? तो फिर क्यों चीजें लोग नहीं देख रहे हैं? Give me a break, So obviously they're not that smart, but as they think they are. But they think they're smart, and they want to change things according to their wisdom.
So सर कड़क की बात करें कि जब मैंने फिल्म देखना शुरू की तो जैसे फिल्म ओपन ही होती है उसके बाद कुछ ऐसा होता है तो मुझे लगता था कि
अब क्या होगा?
अब यहाँ से कहाँ जाएगा? मतलब ये फिल्म शुरू होते ही हो गया ये.
Correct.
अब यहाँ मतलब अगला 1 सेकंड भी नहीं होता कि अगले 1 सेकंड में क्या होगा. अभी तो पूरी फिल्म बाकी है. तो एक तो ये मेरे लिए बड़ा इंट्रिग पॉइंट था. दूसरा पूरी फिल्म देखने के बाद दूसरा जो मुझे चैलेंज लगा कि
अच्छा पहले ही बताइए बिफोर यू आस्क द क्वेश्चन, आपने अभी देखी?
हाँ मैंने अभी फिल्म देखी.
क्यों देखी अभी? ये आप मुझे बताइए. आप बात कर रहे हैं कि क्यों मुश्किल है फिल्ममेकर्स के लिए फिल्म बनाना.
सर पहली चीज तो मुझे पता ही नहीं थी.
क्यों नहीं पता? ये गलती किसकी है? ये गलती हमारी है आपकी है? ये गलती आपकी है. ये मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ. ये गलती ऑडियंस की. भाई पता करिए ना. कैसे नहीं पता आपको? आपको हीरा मंडी तो पता था कि नहीं पता?
सर वो हमारे मुंह पे मार दी जाती है. इतने मीम्स इतने मतलब उस तरीके से चीजें मतलब हमारे ऊपर आ जाती है. मतलब ऑप्शन ही नहीं बचता. अगर हम इन जनरल हर चीज में मार्केटिंग ऐसी चीजें हो गई. आप देखिए कि अगर जो हमें जो ठेले पे अगर वो क्या बोलते हैं पॉपकॉर्न मिलता था वो हमेशा अच्छी क्वालिटी का होता था. लेकिन वो गायब हो रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारे मुंह पे मार दिया गया कि पैकेज इज द बेस्ट. तो वो उसका एक रास्ता तो बनना चाहिए ना. So that's what we also understood.
That is the problem because like I said, we're not able to even tell the people that we are coming out with such a film. Now we are trying this for your platform, but I don't know how many people will reach. But that's a huge task to let people know कि भाई ये भी है, ये भी पिक्चर है, आइए देखिए.
So that's what we are trying to do. We are trying to create this community of the film enthusiast. Right. कि यहाँ पे अगर किसी ने 3 फिल्में देख ली तो उनको पता लग जाएगा कि हमें यहाँ ये मिलेगा.
No, it's a great idea.
So this is what
and more power to you.
Thank you sir. तो सर अब आते हैं अगेन. हाँ कड़क पे आते हैं. तो एक तो ये, दूसरा पूरी फिल्म एक फ्लैट में.
That was a big challenge for us, which we presented to ourselves. कि अगर सारी पिक्चर एक रात में और एक लोकेशन में है तो how to keep it from becoming boring. So that was a huge challenge, and how to shoot it, the whole film in one place, so that it never gets repetitive, never gets boring, there's always something developing, something unfolding which will keep the audience hooked. And I think we pretty much passed that test, that challenge. Also, the other big challenge was to actually create a party, so that when you're watching the film, you're really not watching it from outside. You're inside the party.
Inside the party,
You
correct.
know, that's what I really wanted. With the camera movement, uh, so people are really, like I said, in the party, and it, like a Diwali party, it peaks. It starts slowly at 7 o'clock. There's one firecracker there. Then two guests come. Then five more people come. By 11 o'clock, there are 20 people, and then they start fighting. Then they start playing cards. They start going mad. And then by 3 o'clock, everybody there. "Chalo yaar, घर से then बहुत देर हो गई." Slowly they start leaving. Then there are only a few good friends left.
Yeah.
And then it develops into morning, and it ends pretty much the same way it started next morning after 24 hours. And I wanted that next morning also was very important to me, that what happens to this marriage now after they've gone through the big night. That the fact that they come back home together is still.
And it's a beautiful song.
That's right.
It's a very beautiful song. And also the camera work is so beautiful, and even in such a small place. And I was just thinking कि बाद में मैं मतलब फिल्म के समय तो कुछ पता ही नहीं चलता. You're so engrossed in the film. After that, when I realized that how every place was used so beautifully, so many characters.
I mean, even the kitchen becomes a big place. Then I think there are about 10 minutes of the film in the kitchen only, 10-15 minutes. It's really like, every year we have a Diwali party at our home. And it's pretty chaotic. There are no dead bodies, but besides that, our parties are pretty chaotic also. So I wanted to have that chaos.
And also, it's just मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि this is one of the toughest film to make as a maker, because when you have this challenge,
all films are tough, Anand. That's the truth. All films are tough, and all films because you bring yourselves a new set of challenge with every film. You know what I'm saying? Because you don't want to do something easy. So every next film you want to push yourself, and you present yourself new challenges in terms of scripting, in terms of shooting. So there is no easy film in that sense. Every film is a challenge. The challenges are different. They're new. You never encountered them before. So you have to deal with them afresh. And that is the idea. That is the idea of pushing yourself to a little further. I don't know if you've seen RK. I think the film I made after Kadak, and I think it was a little more difficult, a lot more difficult than this. I would like you to watch it once you're done with all this.
Definitely.
It's quite a mad film also.
So, sir, as making an independent film is very difficult, and you have made many films, and like someone like us, when we made our film, so we made film out of excitement and out of unawareness that what will happen to that film.
Correct.
We thought that if the film is good, something will happen. People will
now I'm wise enough to know that nothing will happen.
So knowing that, so like making film is difficult.
देखिए आपने देखी ना पिक्चर, आपने देखी, आपको पसंद आई, मेरे लिए बहुत है दोस्त, मेरे लिए बहुत है. ऐसा 100 लोग अगर दुनिया में हैं जिनको ऐसे पसंद आई फिल्म जैसे आपको पसंद आई है, I'm done. It's enough for the film to exist. I think the film has done its work. If it has reached to you, I don't want more.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to know. It doesn't disappoint you that?
No, I mean it disappoints me for first 2 weeks of the release, but after that I want to make my next film. That's all that matters to me.
So it doesn't discourage you to make your next film?
Not at all. Why? That's what I'm saying. I'm not asking for 100 million people. I'm asking for 100 people in the audience, and that's enough. It does. Even if those 100 are not there, even if 8 people see it, I'm okay, because the film exists. That's the important thing. The film exists in the universe. Somebody will watch it after 50 years, man. It's there. It exists. It will be there after you and I have gone. It's fantastic, that idea, So it doesn't matter what happens, whether it's a flop, hit, I mean, it matters at that moment. But in the long term, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Of course, it hurts you when, you know, अरे यार एक और कोई नहीं आ रहा देखने. Those first 2 weeks are quite depressing. After that, you say, this is how it is. I know. We know it. This is how it is. कोई नहीं आएगा. लेकिन that's not why you make films. You don't make films for that. You make something. You make it for yourself, first of all. You know, you make it because something is driving you mad. Because something needs to come out of you. There is an impulse within you which is pushing you to make the film. That's the reason. That's the primary reason. Everything else is a bonus. उसके बाद अगर फिल्म अच्छी हो गई, वाह वाह, अवार्ड मिल गया, अमेजिंग, लोगों को पसंद आ गई, बहुत अच्छा. लेकिन कुछ नहीं भी हुआ तो भी आपने तो कर लिया ना आपको जो करना था. The primary reason has been fulfilled.
So this is very, relieving, because sometimes the question is asked that why did you make the film? So because I felt, even sometimes I was made to feel guilty that you did something, you're so stupid that you made a film.
पैसा खराब कर दिया आपने. अरे भाई इतने बड़े बड़े बिजनेस डूब जाते हैं, उनको तो आप कुछ नहीं बोलते हैं. तो क्या हो गया हमने अगर 2-4 करोड़ निकाल फेंक दिए
कि मतलब इतने दिन से तुमने यही सीखा. So you start questioning yourself whether you have done, but this is very,
can't ever question yourself. If the motive is right, then nothing which will stop you also. All these people also will not stop you. You make films because you really, I'm telling you, you make films because you're sick. It's a sickness, it's a disease. You know, you make films because आप है पागलपन जुनून है इसलिए आप बना रहे हैं. इसी थोड़ी बना रहे हैं कि आप के बारे में आर्टिकल आएगा अखबार में. नहीं यार, वो सब झूठे रीजंस हैं कि पैसा आएगा या फेम आएगी. वो सब झूठे रीजन. You're doing it because you're nuts, actually. You know? Really.
Thank you. बहुत अच्छा लगा एक्चुअली. मुझे तो लगता है कि यहाँ कुछ ऐसा हल्का हो गया. So sir, for independent filmmakers, it's like when they want to make films, they do not know that like most of them who want to make films, they are waiting कि क्या सीखना है, क्या ऐसा अलग से सीख लें, क्या क्या चीजें सीख लें, तब जाकर के फिल्म बनाएं. So you have made many films. So there is something which you think if you would have known, like when you started, would have helped immensely.
I went to a film school. I studied at a film school. I went to FTI to study film direction, and after that I worked for 3 years as an assistant. तो मेरा तो पूरा formal training था. लेकिन there are filmmakers who don't have a formal training also. But you can, that way is also valid. There is no right or wrong way. किसी को कुछ नहीं आता वो कहता है करके सीखूंगा, वो भी पॉसिबल है. और करके ही सीखता आदमी इवेंचुअली. ये तो पढ़ के तो जो ठीक है, जो भी आप सीखे, लेकिन eventual learning is by making your own mistakes only. And then trying to figure out who you are. I think, we make films or we write books to not so much to reflect on the world, but I think to reflect on ourselves and to explore ourselves. At least for me, it's true that I do a new play, a new film, because I want to dive in further within me. And everything reveals me to me. I find out more about myself. And that is the journey, I think. Journey is, of course, you're also reacting to the world. But the exploration is, because eventually, Anand, I feel you don't know anything outside of you. You don't know. You have an understanding which is quite subjective. So also is colored by who you are. So the more you know who you are, the better person you are, more evolved you are, more aware you are. I think that's the path to evolution, personal evolution, to figure out कि अंदर क्या चल रहा है.
So कड़क में ऐसा क्या था कि what happened within you said that you want to?
I don't know. I made a film called Mixed Doubles in 2005. I don't know if you've seen it, but please watch it. It's also a film about marriage. It's very similar in a way. This Kadak goes back to Mixed Doubles a lot. The characters are also called Sunil and Malti, reflecting on Mixed Doubles, because there's really another film about marriage. And that also ends with them coming back home in the morning. It's got some parallels. Uh, yeah, so about relationships. Then again, maybe it's the chaos that I wanted to explore. It's not tangible. I don't know. I can't say that ये मैंने फिल्म बना के ये बात सीख ली. It's not that. But I realize that I keep coming back to similar themes, similar subjects, film after film after. So why is that? There must be a reason for that. It's just many of these films are about identity and so on. Kyun? Because obviously there is something that is within me questioning, which attracts me to these subjects, which attracts me to these people who are obsessive, slightly mad people, whether it's Bauji from Aankhon Dekhi or VK from Mithya or even Sunil from Kadak. There is a similar pattern which I'm becoming aware of now after making these films. ऐसा नहीं कि मुझे पहले सोच रहा था मैंने कि ऐसा characters होना चाहिए. No, but now I realize that this is how it happens. Even this finishing films in the morning, this is something. Aankhon Dekhi ends in the morning.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking right now. You know, it's like
From my first film, Private Detective ends in the morning, like that with Dawn. So it's a thing. It's a thing of a new beginning of something. I don't know what.
and there's always the inner chaos of the character.
There is inner chaos.
In all the films.
Obsession
Even Mithya.
and chaos. Yeah.
So मिथ्या का एक सीन है जो मतलब इंडिविजुअली मैं ऐसे जिसमें वो बाथरूम में जाकर के वो जो रणवीर कैरेक्टर बोलता है कि पापा ने बोला था कि एमबीए कर लेना समथिंग लाइक दैट कहाँ तुम्हें एक्टर बनना तो वो जिसका फ्रस्ट्रेशन था सो समटाइम्स यू नो जब हम फिल्म मेकिंग में वो कोरिलेट करता है कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं तो ये क्यों डिसाइड कर लिया ये तो so that आप जब बता रहे हो I was just correlating everything so this is very nice so sir 3 or 5 good reasons to watch very typical
3 or 5 I'll tell you. Ranveer Shori, Mansi Multani, Sara Saukar, Shruti Seth, Tara Sharma, Sagar Deshmukh, Paulomi Ghosh, Rajat Kapoor. 8 reasons. Kalki Kakle, 9 reasons.
Wonderful, you know, background score and superb camera work, especially the frames. जो लास्ट का जो फ्रेम है जो वो सारी ऐसे गाड़ियां खड़ी हैं, it looked so beautiful. And it's like everybody is so tired. और कोई रात को जगा हो और कैसे tired रहता है. So that was so मतलब वो ऐसे वैसे frame लग रहा है कि मैं ऐसे रख के देखता रहा हूँ. It was so beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. So, sir, thank you very much, and
thank you once again for having Kadak on your platform.
Thank you very
much.
much.
And I wish you all the best. Hopefully, many people will watch the film and everything else on your platform.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.